India's independence from British colonial rule in 1947 initiated several rural development programs to uplift the rural communities and address their socio-economic challenges. These programs aim to alleviate poverty, improve agriculture, enhance infrastructure, and empower the rural population. Here are some notable pre-independence rural development programs in India. Community Development Program, CDP, introduced in 1952, the CDP aimed to promote participatory development at the village level. It focused on agriculture, health, education, and social welfare. The program emphasized community participation, self-help, and integrated rural development. Village and Small Industries Program, VSIP, launched in 1952, the aim to promote rural industrialization. It provided financial assistance, technical support, and infrastructure development for small-scale industries in rural areas. The program aimed to generate employment opportunities and reduce rural-urban migration. National Extension Service, NES, initiated in 1953, the NES aimed to disseminate scientific agricultural knowledge and modern farming practices among rural farmers. It focused on improving crop productivity, promoting animal husbandry, and providing farmers with agricultural training and advisory services. National Rural Employment Program, NREP, introduced in 1980, the NREP aimed to generate employment opportunities in rural areas through labor-intensive projects. It focused on developing infrastructure such as roads, canals, and irrigation systems, thereby enhancing rural connectivity and agricultural productivity. Integrated Rural Development Program, IRDP, launched in 1978, the IRDP aimed to uplift the rural poor by providing them with income-generating assets, including land, livestock, and small-scale enterprises. The program also focused on skill development, training, and capacity building to enhance the economic status of rural households. Gandhian Village Reconstruction Program, inspired by Mahatma Gandhi's principles, this program was initiated in the 1940s. It aimed to reconstruct villages through various initiatives such as cottage industries, agricultural cooperatives, basic education, and health services. The program focused on self-reliance and sustainable development at the grassroots level. 5-year plans, the government formulated a series of 5-year plans since the 1950s, which included rural development as a key component. These plans focused on agrarian reforms, irrigation projects, rural electrification, credit facilities, and investment in rural infrastructure like roads, schools, and healthcare facilities. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, MNREGA, enacted in 2005, MNREGA is a flagship program that guarantees every rural household 100 days of employment per year. It focuses on providing wage labor for public works projects, which helps alleviate poverty, enhance rural infrastructure, and generate employment opportunities. Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, PGS, initiated in 2000. PGS aims to provide all-weather road connectivity to unconnected rural habitations. The program focuses on improving rural mobility, connecting villages to markets, schools, and healthcare centers, and boosting economic development in rural areas. National Rural Livelihood Mission, NRLM, launched in 2011, NRLM aims to alleviate rural poverty by promoting self-employment and entrepreneurship among rural households. The program provides skill training, access to credit, and support for the formation of self-help groups and rural enterprises. Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana, National Rural Livelihoods Mission, NRLM. This program, launched in 2013, focuses on poverty reduction by providing skill training, livelihood promotion, and social mobilization for rural households. It aims to empower women, promote financial inclusion, and create sustainable livelihood opportunities in rural areas.